Okay, so now we are going to learn about different elements like fire, water, air, ice, and a few more. So this one is going to be a long lesson. So let's go to it. The first word we have is fuego, which means fire. Fuego, fire. Fuego, fuego. And the second one, agua, water. Agua, agua. This one I'm pretty sure you know it. Water. The third one, tierra, or soil. Tierra. Tierra means earth and soil. So tierra can also refer to the planet, planet Earth. El planeta Tierra, planet Earth. El planeta Tierra, or la tierra, the earth. So tierra refers to earth and it also refers to soil. And the next one, aire, air, aire, air, aire, aire. And let's try one more time. Fuego, fire, fuego, agua, water, tierra, earth and soil, aire, air, aire, air, aire. Okay, and let's try a few more. Then we have humo, which means smoke. Humo, smoke, humo. And we also have hielo. Hielo means ice. Hielo, hielo, ice. Some people tend to say hielo, hielo, quiero hielo. But yeah, you cannot say, I think the correct one is hielo, con hielo. But little kids say hielo, hielo, ice. And the next one, arena, sand. Arena, arena. And the fourth one, just like English, gas. Gas, gas. With a Spanish accent. Gas, gas. Okay, one more time. Humo, smoke, humo. Hielo, ice, hielo. Arena, sand, arena. And gas, for gas, gas. Okay, let's try a few more because we have a long class. Cielo, which basically means the sky. And cielo also refers to heaven. So heaven is basically in the sky. Cielo, sky or heaven. El cielo, the sky, the heaven. Cielo. And the next one, nubes, clouds. Nubes, nubes. So cielo, sky or heaven. Sky and heaven, it means two things. Nubes, clouds. Nubes, cielo, nubes. Okay. And the next one, estrellas. Estrellas means stars. Estrellas, estrellas. And the next one, arcoiris, which means rainbow. Arcoiris, arcoiris. Some people, they divide arco and iris into two words. So into two different words. That means arcoiris, rainbow too. But yeah, there are two ways of writing it. Arcoiris together or separate. Arco, iris. Arcoiris. So estrellas, stars. Arcoiris, rainbow. Estrellas, arcoiris. And the next one, we also have sol, the sun. Sol, sol. And besides the sun, we have luna, the moon. Luna, la luna, the moon. Luna. And we have los planetas. Los planetas, the planets. And now that I think about it, there's one specific thing. Planeta ends with the letter A. Planeta, one planet. But we use masculine for it. even though it ends with an A, it's actually masculine. So we would say el planeta, the planet. El planeta, not la planeta. So even though most words that end in A are feminine, planeta is an exception. So you would say el planeta, the planet. And luna also ends with an A, but luna is feminine. La luna, the moon. So yeah, this is one thing to keep in mind. El planeta, los planetas, the planets. So planeta ends in A, but it's an exception to the rule, which is basically masculine. El planeta. Okay. Oh, one more time. Sol, sun. El sol. La luna. El planeta, or los planetas for plural. Los planetas. Okay, let's try some examples. The first example is, quiero una coca con hielo. I want a Coke with ice. So in Spanish, in some places we refer to Coke as coca. La coca, the Coke. La coca. Quiero una coca. I want a Coke. So we basically abbreviate Coca-Cola to coca. Quiero una coca. I want a Coke. Maybe in other countries they might say Coca-Cola or quiero una Coca-Cola con hielo. So yeah, but you can actually just say Coca-Cola and they still understand, but we just abbreviate it to coca. I want a Coke. Quiero una coca con hielo. Or quiero una Coca-Cola con hielo. Both are actually correct. You can use either both. But the one I hear the most is coca, the abbreviation. Okay, next one. ¿Me da un agua, por favor? Can you give me a water, please? ¿Me da un agua, por favor? And one thing about this one is that if you say un agua, this means a water. So basically, like you're asking for a water bottle or a cup of water. And this is interesting because agua is also masculine. El agua, the water. El agua, not la agua. So this is another rule to the exception. It ends in a letter A, but it's also masculine. There are very few words that make this exception, but planetas and agua are some of them. El agua, the water. ¿Me da un agua, por favor? Can you give me a water, please? If you were to remove un and you say ¿me da agua, por favor? It basically means can you give me water, please? So it kind of gives the feeling of you just really need water. It might be tap water or anything, he just needs water. But if you say ¿me da un agua? It's more like he wants a glass of water or a bottle of water. So un agua tends to be used for restaurants. ¿Me da un agua, por favor? Can you give me a water, please? If you say ¿me da agua? It's more like just give me water. Can you give me water? So yeah, and this is the difference. Same thing as in English, I guess, it seems. Okay, next example. Estamos haciendo un castillo de arena. We are making a sand castle. Estamos haciendo un castillo de arena. Castillo, castle, arena, castle. We are making a arena, sand. Arena, sand. A sand castle. We are making a sand castle. Estamos haciendo un castillo de arena. Next example. Acércate al fuego. Get closer to the fire. Acércate al fuego. Acércate. Get closer to the fire. Acercar means to get close. Acércate is get closer to the fire. Acércate. And let's try the next one. Prende el aire. Turn on the air conditioner. So with the word for air conditioner is aire acondicionado. So you can either say prende el aire acondicionado, the air conditioner, or just prende el aire, which basically means turn on the AC. So we abbreviate aire acondicionado, we make it shorter, to just aire. So basically turn on the air. Can you turn on the air? prende el aire, turn on the air. Or prende el aire acondicionado, turn on the air conditioner. So yeah, prende el aire, turn on the AC, turn on the air. So just as in English, you make it shorter, in Spanish we do as well. In English is AC, in Spanish just aire. Okay, next one. Cuidado, hay una fuga de gas. Be careful, there is a gas leak. Cuidado, careful. Cuidado, be careful. Cuidado. Hay una fuga de gas. Fuga means a leak. Una fuga, there's a leak. Fuga de gas, a gas leak. So, yeah. So, remember to, whenever you see the word cuidado, means careful, be careful. Cuidado, careful. And another example. ¿Qué estás cocinando? What are you cooking? Hay mucho humo. There is a lot of smoke. ¿Qué estás cocinando? Hay mucho humo. What are you cooking? There is a lot of smoke. Humo, smoke. And the next one, oh, we have the same one. Cuidado. Hay una fuga de gas. Be careful. There is a gas leak. Okay, so let's try the other example. I think this one was repeated, but it's okay. Let's try the next one. No hay nubes en el cielo. There are no clouds in the sky. No hay nubes en el cielo. And the next one. Quiero, I want, tomar agua, to drink water. Quiero tomar agua. So we're almost there, almost to the end. I told you it's a long lesson. There's a lot of vocabulary in this one. Me gusta ver las estrellas en el cielo de noche. I like to see the stars in the night sky. Me gusta, I like ver, to see, las estrellas en el cielo de noche. I like to see the stars in the night sky. Cielo de noche, night sky. And another one. Mira el arco iris. Look at the rainbow. Mira el arco iris. Look at the rainbow. So yeah, if you ever see a rainbow, you can say, mira, mira el arco iris. So mira is imperative affirmative. You're telling people to look. Mira. And some of the last ones, here we have, vamos a ver la puesta de sol. Vamos a ver la puesta del sol. Let's watch the sunset. Vamos a ver la puesta de sol. And another one. Hoy hay luna llena. Today is a full moon day. Today is a full moon. Hoy hay luna llena. Today there is a full moon. Hoy hay luna llena. And the last ones. Los pájaros vuelan en el aire. The birds fly in the air. Aire, air. Los pájaros vuelan en el aire. Pájaros means bird. Los pájaros vuelan. The birds fly. En el aire, in the air. And this one. Vivimos en el planeta Tierra. We live on planet Earth. Vivimos en el planeta Tierra. So once again, el planeta. The planet, it's masculine. El planeta Tierra. Okay, so that's it for this one. It was a long lesson. Make sure to play with the Quizlet. Thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.